Today we are going to discuss a topic that is classification of covalent bond. So basically there are two parameters of covalent bond. One is polarizability and second one we are having number of electron pair. That is, we can say that on the basis of electronegativity and covalent bond on the basis of electronegativity and covalent bond on the basis of number of electron pairs. So there are two types of polarizability. One is polar covalent bond and second one is non-polar covalent bond. Let us discuss that what is polar covalent bond. The atom or the molecule having the electronegativity difference greater than 0.4, that molecule will be called as polar molecule, or atom will be called as polar. So electronegativity, if the electronegativity is greater than 0.4 molecule. So if we talk, let us take an example. HCl. H has partial positive charge and chlorine have partial negative charge. So the electronegativity of hydrogen is 2.1 and the electronegativity of chlorine is 3.00. So the difference of these electronegativity will be 0.9. So the difference of electronegativity is greater than 0.4, so it will be called as a polar molecule. Means HCl is a polar molecule, because we have studied that the electronegativity difference, if the electronegativity difference will be greater than 0.4, so it will be a polar molecule. Now taking another example like hydrogen bromide. It has partial negative charge and it has partial positive charge. So the electronegativity of hydrogen is 2.1 and electronegativity of bromine is 2.8. So the difference of the electronegativity will be 0.7. So the difference of electronegativity is greater than 0.4. So hydrogen bromide, it is also a polar molecule. If we talk about that which molecule have a higher polarity, so basically HCl have a higher polarity than hydrogen bromide, because its electronegativity difference is 0.7 and HCl electronegativity difference is 0.9. So it have a higher polarity than hydrogen bromide. And one more thing, in polar covalent bond, all the atoms will be hetero. What does it mean? Hetero basically means different. Means like if one element is hydrogen, so second one is chlorine, there will be not a same molecule. Means there will not be a same atoms, there will be a different atom. So in polar covalent bond, all the atom will be hetero, not homo. Homo means same, so all the atom will be hetero in polar covalent bond. Now talking about non-polar covalent bond. In non-polar covalent bond, the electronegativity difference will be less than 0.4, or we can say 0.00 to 0.4. if the electron negativity difference will be 0.00 to 0.4, so it will be a non-polar molecule. For example, here if we take example of hydrogen, so the electron negativity of hydrogen is 2.1 and electron negativity of hydrogen is 2.1, so the difference of electron negativity will be 0.00, so it will be a non-polar molecule. Similarly, like nitrogen, chlorine, they all are non-polar molecules. Their electron negativity difference is less than 0.4. And in non-polar covalent bond, all the atoms can be homo, means same, or hetero, means different. The atoms can be homo or hetero. Like these are homo, means same atoms, and these are also same. If we talk about hetero molecule like CH4, like carbon, if I make a bond, I have 4 hydrogen, and hydrogen. So the electron negativity of carbon is 2.5 and electron negativity of hydrogen is 2.1. So the difference of electron negativity will be 0.4. Same here, 2.5, 2.1, 2.5 will be same. So the electron negativity difference of CH4 will be 0.4. So as I said, 0.00 to 0.4, so it will be a non-polar molecule. CH4 will be a non-polar molecule.